Every 4 years, the FIFA World Cup captures the attention of billions of people worldwide. The last FIFA World Cup took place in 2022, and now the FIFA World Cup 2026 is here. This creates a massive opportunity, but there's a problem. Many creators use football match clips in their videos and eventually face copyright claims or monetization issues. The best solution is to stop using match footage altogether. Instead, create completely original football content using AI. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that can help you create engaging FIFA World Cup content with the potential to attract millions of views. Take a look at educational football channels. Football content isn't limited to highlights and match recaps. Many creators build successful channels by explaining football concepts, rules, tournaments, teams, and history. Some videos explain World Cup rules in just a few minutes. Others break down the group stage, knockout rounds, or tournament formats using simple stickman-style animations. These videos consistently attract strong viewership because football is an evergreen niche with a massive global audience. Many of these channels were created recently, achieved monetization quickly, and continue growing because educational football content remains valuable even after the World Cup ends. Go to Google and search for Stickman PNG. Open the Images section and choose a Stickman design you like. Download the character that best fits your content style, because this will become the main visual element of your videos. Use a FIFA World Cup educational video master prompt inside ChatGPT or Claude. The prompt is designed to generate complete educational video concepts ranging from 2 minutes to 15 minutes long. When you paste the prompt, the AI provides multiple content ideas. Examples include why FIFA World Cup 2026 will break every record in football history, how the new 48-team World Cup format works, ranking all 16 World Cup 2026 stadiums. Choose the topic you are most interested in. After selecting a topic, specify the video length. For example, if you choose a 3-minute video, the AI will generate a complete SEO-optimized script. The script follows a professional structure: hook, introduction, main explanation, interesting facts, why it matters, conclusion, call to action. Copy the script and open Google AI Studio. Select the Master Storyteller option and choose a voice that sounds natural and engaging. Set the style to Vocal Smile for a more energetic delivery. Paste your script into the text box, remove the section headings, and click Run. The AI will generate a professional quality voiceover. Once it's ready, download the audio file. Return to ChatGPT or Claude. Ask for image prompts and motion prompts based on the script. The AI will automatically divide your script into scenes and create prompts for each one. For every scene, you'll receive an image prompt, a motion prompt. Continue generating prompts until all scenes are completed. Open Google Flow and select the Image Generation section. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio because you're creating long-form YouTube videos. Paste your image prompt into the prompt box. Upload your downloaded Stickman character as a reference image and attach it to the prompt. Generate the image. Repeat this process for every scene in your script. Soon you'll have a complete set of custom visuals featuring your Stickman character in different football-related situations. The results can look incredibly professional, showing the character inside stadiums, historical football moments, and educational scenarios. After generating all your images, convert them into animated video clips. Inside Google Flow, select your image and click Animate. Attach the corresponding motion prompt generated earlier. Choose the video generation option and use VO 3.1 Lite. This model creates longer video clips and delivers excellent results. Generate the clip and repeat the process for every scene in your script. Soon you'll have a complete collection of animated scenes ready for editing. The quality is impressive, with realistic movement, cinematic effects, and engaging visuals. Now it's time to assemble everything. Open your preferred video editor. Import all video clips and place them on the timeline. Add your voiceover and synchronize it with the visuals. Then add transition effects between scenes, apply color grading, insert subtitles, add background music, and include sound effects. CapCut is a great free option for generating subtitles and handling the final edit. These elements dramatically improve viewer retention and make the video feel more professional. If you start now and stay consistent throughout the World Cup season, you could achieve outstanding results and potentially build a long-term football channel that continues growing long after the tournament ends. Imagine a country where football was once considered a foreign sport. A country that hosted the World Cup in 1994, and now in 2026, that same country is hosting the biggest World Cup in history. That is the power of football, and this is the perfect time to take advantage of one of the biggest content opportunities on YouTube.